She think that I am an asshole. She won't call me back. Melatonin in my brain, I wanna sleep until the night's gone. I've been living life, taking drugs until my life. Sometimes I wanna run away, but in my brain there is no light. She think that I am an asshole. She won't call me back. Melatonin in my brain, I wanna sleep until the night's gone. I've been living life, taking drugs until my life. Sometimes I wanna run away, but in my brain there is no lights on. Tell me that you love me and I'll be here forever. And I know my life kinda good, but I know it could be better. I had to get my head right so I could get to the cheddar. The only thing I care about is making hits on myself. Haters on my dick, cause I'm too legit. Remember I was down, now she won't take a pic. You're right for the fans, so here we go again. I just popped the Xan, get so high that I won't run. No. She think that I am an asshole. She won't call me back. Melatonin in my brain, I wanna sleep until the night's gone. I've been living life, taking drugs until my life. Sometimes I wanna run away, but in my brain there is no light. She think that I am an asshole. She won't call me back. Melatonin in my brain, I wanna sleep until the night's gone. I've been living life, taking drugs until my life. Sometimes I wanna run away, but in my brain there is no lights on.
I know that it's hard for you to face it, and sometimes I say leave me alone, I can't take this. In my mind, I can't pick up the phone, album mode got me zoned in. Gotta be real careful with the money that I'm holding. Ever since a kid, always knew that I was golden. Finally found my purpose and my worth, cause I'm chosen. I feel like losing my mind, but I found it. I got a new track on me, I ain't talking about balance. They used to tell me that I ain't never had talent, but now they wanna sit beside my money and count it. I'm going far, I might just go to Mars. You boys playing part, I'm in charge. Fuck whoever talking on me, we gon' ball. Many racks in my jeans, they just start to fall out. I've been living crazy, chasing rockstar lifestyle. I know that it's hard for you to face it, and sometimes I say leave me alone, I can't take this. In my mind, I can't pick up the phone, album mode got me zoned in. Gotta be real careful with the money that I'm holding. Ever since a kid, always knew that I was golden. Finally found my purpose and my worth, cause I know I gotta get it. A youngin' had to chase a bag, shawty tryna send it, but no, she cannot get me back. It's time to take attendance, you bitches never had some class. I was in the studio, you bitches out here flipping packs. Shit gets tough sometimes, but I made it out. I let the 808s hit like we playing Rolling Loud. And nobody say a sound, yeah, we finna shut it down. It's funny you was hating on me, but then you came around. I know that it's hard for you to face it, and sometimes I say leave me alone, I can't take this. In my mind, I can't pick up the phone, album mode got me zoned in. Gotta be real careful with the money that I'm holding. Ever since a kid, always knew that I was golden. Finally found my purpose and my worth, cause I'm chosen.
NBA dunks, dunking down the double cups. Know a hoodie on, about as yellow as the fucking sun. Give her 6 cents, Subway, bread doubled up. Hopping off the metro just to take another yellow bus. Got the name of Marcus, then come over for Disney Plus. She want me to roll the runs, but never ever